In the next 25 years, millions of people will wake up. Not to an alarm clock, but to a reality where their job no longer exists. By 2050, artificial intelligence will not just assist humans, it will replace them. The question is not if this will happen. The question is, will your job survive? Welcome to AI and Humanity. This documentary explores the jobs that experts believe will completely disappear by the year 2050. These are not guesses. These predictions come from economists, AI researchers, and global labor reports. Some of these jobs employ millions today. Others define entire industries. And yet, they are already being replaced. For over a century, factories powered the global economy. Humans built cars. Humans assembled electronics. Humans worked the lines. But robots don't get tired. They don't ask for breaks. And they don't make mistakes the way humans do. By 2050, fully automated factories will dominate manufacturing. Assembly line workers, machine operators, and manual production roles will largely disappear, replaced by robotic arms and AI-controlled systems. Driving is one of the most common jobs in the United States. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, delivery drivers. But self-driving technology is advancing faster than most people realize. Autonomous trucks already drive thousands of miles with minimal human input. By 2050, human drivers will be considered slow, expensive, and risky. Transportation jobs will not evolve. They will vanish. Cashiers were once essential. Today, machines scan, calculate, and accept payments instantly. Self-checkout systems, AI-powered stores, facial recognition payments. Retail workers will not disappear overnight. But by 2050, human cashiers will be the exception, not the rule. You've probably spoken to an AI voice today. It didn't need training. It didn't take breaks. It didn't lose patience. AI-powered customer support systems already handle millions of conversations daily. By 2050, human call center agents will be almost entirely replaced by conversational AI. Data entry was once a stable career. Today, AI processes thousands of records in seconds. Office clerks, file handlers, and basic administrative roles are disappearing quietly. Not with headlines, but with automation. AI doesn't just replace manual labor, it replaces thinking tasks too. Legal research, document review, and contract analysis are now performed faster by AI. By 2050, many entry-level legal roles will no longer exist. Education is changing. Personalized AI tutors adapt to each student's learning style. Traditional classroom teaching will not disappear, but many repetitive teaching roles will. Education will shift from instructors to facilitators. If AI replaces millions of jobs, what will humans do? Some will adapt, some will create, some will lead. But those who ignore the change will be left behind. The future is not evil. It is simply different. AI will eliminate jobs, but it will also redefine humanity's role. The real danger is not
artificial intelligence. The real danger is being unprepared. AI and Humanity explores artificial intelligence, emerging technology, and the future of human life through high-quality documentary-style videos. From AI reshaping jobs and society to futuristic cities and life in 2050. Subscribe to AI and Humanity to understand the future before it arrives.